Blessings, my lovelies, and welcome back again to my channel. If this is your very first time coming across this channel, my name is Happiness, and you are most welcome to Happylicious series. Thank you all for stopping by. I really appreciate you. So in today's recipe, I want to share with you how I make my oha soup in diaspora. So if this is what you want to see, then please keep on watching. So for the rest of the ingredients, you'll need some dried fish. You also need some fresh snails. You also need some oha leaves. So these are the ones I can get, the dried frozen ones. If you can lay your hands on the fresh ones, perfect, but this is what I could get. You also need some uziza leaves. These are also frozen uziza leaves. You will also need some uziza seed, some scotch bonnet, some cocoyam, some crayfish, which we're going to blend, palm oil, some ogiri igbo. So my ogiri igbo is still in the nylon because you guys, you know how powerful the smell of ogiri is, so I don't want it to overshadow my kitchen right now. And I also have some spinach. I will explain to you why, and it is optional. Some salt to taste, of course. So it's been 30 minutes, our meat has been cooking. So at this point, I'm going to take off the cocoyam, which I was cooking with the meat earlier on. And then we're going to pound this, or you can use your blender, or if you have a mortar and pestle, you can use it. So I'm going to take this and get it prepared off camera. So this is after 30 minutes and this has cooked beautifully. So at this point, I'm going to taste for salt and adjust seasoning if need be. Add my cocoyam, and I'm also going to add the oha and uziza leaves this time. That is because they are dried, and for you to get that taste out, you have to cook it for a good amount of time, and that is the reason why I'm going to be adding it. But if you're using the fresh one, you don't need to add it at this point. That will be towards the end. And if you have watched to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please take our time to give this video a thumbs up, and when you do so, please also leave me your comments in the comment section. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you. So we're going to cook this for another 10 to 12 minutes so the oha and uziza leaves can have enough time to release their flavors into this soup. But like I said earlier, if you're using the fresh one, do it towards the end. You guys, the aroma in my kitchen right now is irresistible. Like, every single ingredient played a perfect role to making this a pot of irresistible oha soup. Like, this is perfect and it tastes so good. So at this point, I'm just going to sprinkle some fresh spinach. This is optional. It's just to give it that vibrance, just to pop it up. Like I said earlier, if you're using the fresh oha leaves, you don't have to do this. Okay, so this is what we go through in diaspora just to make a pot of recipe. So yeah, and this tasted so good, you guys. It tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me your comments. I will really appreciate all of this. Thank you so much. And hey, always remember, if you can imagine it, believe in it, then you can achieve it. Until I come your way again, stay safe and stay blessed, and always know that I love you. Bye.